Now that we've created an assessment in Schoology, let's look at how we would give it to students. In your resources folder, find the quiz or assessment that you'd like to give. Click the little gear icon and click Add to Course. I'm going to add this to my Fake Test Class Section 1. You can choose a folder to put it into, but usually you leave it on the front page. You can choose the number of points that it's worth for the gradebook. You can set a due date. You can choose a category. You can choose the grading scale, whether numeric or a letter system, and then the grading period. And then click Add. Now when you view this course, you'll see the quiz on the front page. You can edit the properties, you can unpublish it so that it's hidden. You can move it, and you can copy it to another course. At this point, our quiz is not active, and students could click on it and they would not be able to see anything. So we need to get it ready to give. To do that, click Settings at the top. In the box at the top, you can write any instructions that you want students to see before they begin the assessment. And then working our way down, right now submissions are disabled. We can choose to enable them immediately until a certain time, or enable them from a time until a different time. So we'll set that up for class tomorrow. So now our assessment will turn on tomorrow morning at 7:30, and it will end at 9:05. Students will not be able to begin or finish after those times. We can set a time limit for the assessment. We'll say 30 minutes in this case. Attempt limit determines how many times students are allowed to attempt the quiz. 1 is the usual. You can choose to randomize the order of questions for each student. You can choose how it's displayed, whether using page breaks or 1 question per page. You can change the language of the keyboard. You can allow question review at the end, which allows students to see what they put for each question before hitting submit. You can make the test resumable. This is a good idea. It allows students to log back in if they have connection problems and resume where they were. You can give students the option to view their submission with or without correct answers. Usually you leave this on no. And at the bottom are print options. So we'll click Save, and now our assessment is ready to go. Tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. the assessment will open. Students have until 9:05 to complete it. And that's it.